Welcome to our overview of the benefits of digital recording. If you're watching this course, you might be considering migrating to digital, or you're wondering if another type of recording would better suit your purposes. There's a lot you can do with analog recording, but nothing will power your productivity and quality like going digital. The benefits of moving to digital audio recording far outweigh the potential disadvantages that are touted by analog diehards. Here's a few of the pluses of digital recording. Number 1, editing flexibility. It takes just seconds to do what was agonizing in the analog days. You can easily add a verse, insert more bars anywhere you want, delete something and then bring it back in, undo your mistakes, etc. You've got way more options. Number 2, cost. Digital recording is relatively inexpensive. You just need your own computer gear. This factor alone is what has allowed so many musicians to buck the system and make their own professional quality recordings and record labels. Number 3, no erasing required. Limitless storage capacity. It's fairly inexpensive to store your files when you digital audio record. You don't have to scrimp to remove stuff from the single hard disk or tape. You can just copy it to an external hard drive or external media like DVDs and flash sticks, and then store them in case you need to access them later on. In the past, people had to worry about storage. That take was almost perfect, but do I really want to record over it in the hope of nailing the next take? With digital recording, this concern isn't even on your radar. You can store your data on multiple external enormous hard drives. Track and bus flexibility. You can record practically a limitless number of tracks. You're only limited by the speed of your computer and your RAM. There aren't a fixed number of tracks like a standalone DAW has. You can use 6 tracks for the verse, and then only 2 for the bridge, maybe 16 for the chorus, and not have to worry about how any of these interact. Also, you can route tracks from virtual inputs to virtual outputs. These are called buses, rather than being limited by the actual physical ports on your machine. This gives you a lot more flexibility when dealing with effects. Number 5, no degradation. With digital recording, the 50th playback is the same quality as the first. You don't need to worry at all about the degradation of quality when you play back or overdub. Number 6, seamless integration of audio and MIDI. It's a lot easier to build up arrangements of virtual MIDI tracks and lay them right beside your audio tracks. The analog alternative would be to slave a MIDI sequencer or drum machine to the analog tape and much more difficult to coordinate. Number 7, automation. This is a key improvement in flexibility and functionality. Automation saves any adjustments you make to the mix of your song. You can automate a number of parameters in a digital audio workstation like volume, pan, effects, all sorts of MIDI controls, and more. On your computer, you can automate much more than you can with a standalone DAW, and this lets you really fine-tune your work. I hope that now you understand some of the benefits of moving to digital audio recording. And this concludes my overview of why digital.